What's up? So today we got an awesome beginner ab routine that you can obviously see. I'm here in my backyard that you can do at home. I know a lot of the at-home workouts I talk about that I'm at the gym, but I call them at home because you don't need any equipment. So it's a beginner routine. We got 5 moves. We're gonna repeat each move twice. The moves are 45 seconds long with a 15-second break. So we're gonna do a side plank with a leg abduction, a side knee plank actually, so we can kick, work our glutes a little bit, work our hips, our legs. We're gonna work our core, all right? Next move we're gonna move into is gonna be just a regular floor crunch. And then we're gonna do a 90-degree reverse crunch with our legs on the ground, lifting the legs up. And then we're gonna do a double crunch. So we're gonna combine the floor crunch with the reverse crunch, sandwich them together, and we're gonna repeat all that, okay? So without further ado, get your water bottle, stay hydrated, drink that water, and let's get going.
Take me away to a much better place. Yeah, we could run away.
5,
Yeah, we could go
4,
today.
3,
Just
2,
take me away.
1.
Where we all feel the same. Where we all feel okay. Where we all feel no pain. Yeah. I don't wanna stay down no more. Hit me with the pain and the stab as I grow. Turn up the mic gain as I grab what I know. I want the right fame just to pass you my flow. I wanna teach the masses like classes, just out of practice. So maybe you could pass this class called life. We live then we die, so we might as well try. Not only get by before you're in the sky. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. I'm okay, I'm okay, yeah. There's no pain, yeah,
5,
there's no pain,
4,
yeah. I'm
3,
okay, I'm
2,
okay,
1.
I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time you take it
5,
on.
4,
I've been running long enough,
3,
think it's time now
2,
for me
1.
to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time you take it on. Verse, back to the curse, hit me where it hurts. Everyone's the worst, I only got myself. I don't need any help, already been through hell. I know that you could tell, I only need a chance. I only need a plan, I'm going all in. And I'll do it cause I can, feel like you're falling. Catch yourself with my hand, I'll pull you back up till your feet feel the land, These words, the verse, it hurts. I work, rehearse, I purge the curse. These words immerse my nerves. I slur, reverse, then work, reverse. Now I talk with intent, I talk to defend. I talk to the world and I meant what I said. I talk and I blend, a speech
5,
from a friend. It's
4,
not about the life, it's what you
3,
do before it
2,
ends. I've been
1.
running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to
You ready for this one, huh? You ready for this one? We'll put you right here,
5, 4,
Still working out,
3,
okay?
2,
okay, I'm
1.
okay. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time you take it on. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time you take it on. Gotta get it, no I gotta get it. Got the sun setting fast, cause a winner always winning. And I'm so sick of class, always feeling like I'm in it. My mistakes never pass, going back to the beginning, I steal lies, that's my prize. And I'm not surprised, I really came to my side. Cause they recognize that all I do is try. And I ain't gonna hide what I got inside. I'm a mind in a cash, cause it's broke from the past. Good things never last,
5,
bad things get it past.
4,
Got scars on my back
3,
from the scratch in the past.
2,
If I got nothing left,
1.
then what's left shouldn't last. If a life's so vast, then we shouldn't waste that. Keep your head up, pick yourself off the mat. And you gotta fight back, make a name, make it fast. Make a change that'll last, and the pain's just a fad. Hold me down,
5,
I'll still
4,
make it. I won't
3,
be left
2,
out. A good
1.
time is waiting, and I'll make me proud. Just as time is fading, I'll look back and doubt that my time was wasted. Hold me down, I'll still make it. I won't be left out. A good time is waiting, and I'll make me proud. Just as time is fading, I'll look back and doubt that my time was wasted. To stay, I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4,
The ticket man is to listen,
2,
man. When the
1.
hand that you didn't plan, the vision can't give a better chance, and I land on my feet and stand up. Never gonna give up till my dreams real. Never gonna give up till I'm a big deal. Never gonna give up till I can heal others who are giving up in the real world. I don't wanna feel hate inside. I would rather try to live than die. I would rather tell the truth, not lie. That way I got nothing to hide. I ain't never gonna let me down. Would rather face fears than a less of me now. Staring back in the mirror like you could have been proud. Oh hell no, I'ma make it somehow. Hold me down, I'll still make it. I won't be left out. A good time is waiting and I'll make me proud. Just as time is fading, I'll look back and
4,
doubt that my time was
2,
wasted.
1.
Hold me down, I'll still make it. I won't be left out. A good time is waiting and I'll make me proud. Just as time is fading, I'll look
4,
back and doubt that my
2,
time was
1.
wasted. To stay, I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. The ticket man is to listen, man. When the hand that you didn't plan, the vision can't give a better chance, and I land on my feet and stand up.
5,
Never gonna give up
4,
till my dreams real.
3,
Never gonna give up
2,
till I'm a big deal.
1.
Never gonna give up till I can heal others who are giving up in the real world. I don't wanna feel hate inside. I would rather try to live than die. I would rather tell the truth, not lie. That way I got nothing to
5,
hide. I ain't
4,
never gonna let me
3,
down. Would rather face
2,
fears than a less of me
1.
now. Staring back in the mirror like you could have been proud. Oh hell no, I'ma make it somehow. Hold me down, I'll still make it. I won't be left out. A good time is waiting and I'll make me proud. Just as time is fading, I'll look back and doubt that my time was wasted. Hold me down, I'll still make it. I won't be left out. A good time is waiting and I'll make me proud. Just as time is fading, I'll look back and doubt that my time was wasted. To stay, I'm here to stay.
5, 4, 3,
I'm here to stay.
1.
I'm here to stay.
5,
Doing good.
4, 3,
Doing good.
2, 1.
No, can't keep me down. Lost my thoughts, feel like I could drown. No, no, can't have it now. Buried so deep, I'm below the ground. I go where I hear the sound. All on my own, I can feel it now. Unknown, so my heart pounds, cause I don't understand what happens now. Oh no, I'd rest in peace. Leave behind a lesser me. Working hard to better me. Looking back, I'll never be. Let's go recklessly, fighting to forget it's me. I feel inside it's festering, but I just want to better me. One that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out
5,
cause I need
4,
help.
3,
And you're the one that let
1.
me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help.
5, 4, 3,
I tried to forget,
2,
you held me back
1.
soon as we met. You were always scared of what happens next. Unprepared, so you feel regret. I'm upset, cause I wasted time. I sat at the base when I should've climbed. I stopped with the chase and forgot the grind. I feel out of place, empty inside. You thought I'd never be, won't amount to anything. Had me doubting everything. You only knew a lesser me. You're now my enemy. Wish you never met with me. Work until the death of me, so I become a better one that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. And you're the one that let me down. I'm looking at myself
5,
right now.
4, 3,
The mirror nearly
2,
breaks
1.
itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. slow is something I don't. I jump and I hope, I grab on the rope, I climb and I go, I find something more, I wish you could know all the feelings that I have, but you really. And now I feel like I'm running from myself all the time. All these doubts keep on coming while I think that you're mine. And this pain can be numbing, I don't think I'll be alright. If you think that we're nothing, then I'm just wasting time. And why don't you just take me back again? I always wanted to be more than friends. I never wanted us to ever end again. And why don't you just do me more than friends? I never wanted us to ever end again.
5,
And why don't you just
4,
take me back
3,
again?
2,
I always wanted to
1.
be more than friends. I never wanted us to ever end again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, awesome. I hope you enjoyed that beginner routine. Now, obviously it goes to show I'm sweating a little bit, and I did feel my abs burning about midway through. So just because it's a beginner routine doesn't mean it has to be something like crazy advanced. Like, I still use routines just like this to sneak in a little extra 10 minutes because I'm also working on making a deep mind-muscle connection, right? I want to exhale. Every single time I do these moves, I'll break them all down. When I'm doing the side plank with the leg abduction, raising the legs up and down, keeping my elbow directly underneath my shoulder, every single time I kick, I'm trying to blow the air out of my stomach and squeeze my abs tight, okay? And then also moving on, doing the floor crunch. Basic move, but so many times people try and do thousands of repetitions. Man, you don't need to do that. All you need to do is focus on pulling your stomach inside and squeezing your abs tight, taking the air out of the diaphragm, releasing all that oxygen out of there so you can get a deep contraction in your core. Then we move on to the 90-degree reverse crunch. So basically I'm keeping my feet at 90 degrees, I'm letting them come down to the floor and then bringing them into my chest. And then going into the last one, we have the double crunch. So we're doing the floor crunch plus the reverse crunch. I call it a double crunch. So we're doing both movements. And that's the one where I really felt it the most, because when I'm lifting my legs and crunching at the same time, I'm getting an even deeper contraction. And as you go through your entire fitness and workout journey, you want to become a master contractor. What I mean by that is you just want to focus on squeezing the shit out of your muscles as hard as you possibly can. I've been doing chest presses, Jesus, for like almost 20 years, doing these 70-pound dumbbells. I try and make the same weight feel heavier every single time I do it. So as long as you're squeezing your muscles efficiently and effectively, utilizing either some of my workouts, or sometimes you'll mix some of your own, you're gonna have great results. Of course, if your nutrition's paired on point, and also if you're drinking plenty of water. So if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. And you know I say this over and over. Please go ahead and give this video a like. It really does help out the YouTube algorithm and pushes my content out to more people that need to hear about it. And if you have a friend or a family member that could benefit from some of this information, please go ahead and send them my way, because I'd love to help them out and help them make a change in their lives. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this beginner ab workout. If you'd like, again, you could run this routine 2 times through, or you can even pair it with some of my other beginner routines, okay? So until next time, I will see you soon in the next workout.